What's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing my unboxing of the STB for October month. As you can see, it's taken on a little bit of water. It was delivered to me at our previous Outcast Club comp at Bronchies, and the weather was quite crazy and it got a little bit wet. So I have opened it at the end of the day just to see what was in there, because I get too excited when I get these boxes. So yeah, let's get started. As you all know, you get your secret tackle box full card that tells you what is in the box. Pretty cool. And the back gives you like a little bit of a, tells you to catch and release, and what you can do with one of the hooks with the wacky rigs. Wacky, one of my favorites baits to throw. So that is that. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, striking. Now this is the Rage Blade. In actual truth, I own two of these baits. I've thrown it probably a handful of times. I have caught a fish off a bladed blade, but it hasn't been a bait that I have found the courage to throw around, or the, you know, like I don't know, maybe I just need to go out there with just this bait and actually play around with it. I've heard good things about bladed blades, and yeah, I must start trying it. So yeah, this one is a ½ ounce weight one, and I think yeah, nice colors too. That's the first bait. One. Okay, second, as you saw with the wacky rig, you get your Mavic fishing tackle. So this is the, what size GP? It's a 2 hook. Weight wise, I'm not too sure, but nice little hooks to throw wacky rig. That I've used before, not this specific make, but I have used very similar with wacky rig, and catches me lots and lots of fishes. To go with that, the Z-Man, the Zinker Z sprayed grass, so it's a 5-inch, so nice color. Actually, when I opened the box, before I even read anything, I thought it was maybe I had more baits for my Ned rig, but these are just like the normal Senko ones. So nice color. You hook that on that. Oh, dangerous stuff. Wacky rig. So there we go. That's the other bait. Striking again with the 3/4 ounce jig head, football jig. So that's a nice one. Also a very nice color. And lately I have been fishing a lot more jigs, so I'm happy to get this because I'm starting to enjoy the jig life. Pashka bass hook, the 4 gap hook. So yeah, just another couple more hooks for us to use. It's always nice to get hooks. And then finally, serious soft plastic from Missile Baits. It's a D-bomb green pumpkin. Awesome trailer bait, or even Texas rigging these things and pitching this into the reeds. Awesome stuff. So yeah, I haven't fished this specific one, but I've fished very similar ones to this. As you can see, wham bam, catch fish all day long. So yeah, that's what we get in the STB Pro box. So you guys must give it a try. It's really lots of fun to get a box of baits you don't necessarily go to the shelves to go and buy, you know. You've got your certain bait that you buy that catches you fish. But when it comes to the STB box, you might get baits that you've looked at before and thought, should I try it? I haven't tried it. Nah, I'm not going to spend the money on that. And you get it. And so it turns your fishing, you start actually learning a few more baits. Since I've been working with STB for this year, I have started throwing baits that I never thought I would throw. So it does help. And for a pro box of $4.99 or the rookie box at $3.99. I'll confirm on that one, sorry. I've been getting the pro box and I've been sponsored by STB, so they've been sending me the pro box to try and you know, let them know what's what. So far I'm enjoying it. Guys, go get yourself a box. It's so much fun. Even if you just try it once just to get the feel of it. It's really an awesome brand to support. Also, for all you first time buyers, this year only, so you've got this month and next month, if you buy and you use the Bassinator as a reference code, you'll get that 20 Rand off your first box. 20 Rand is 20 Rand. You can buy yourself a couple of gummy stops or something with the extra 20 Rand. But yeah, go check them out. The link will be below, and go throw them a follow as well on their YouTube channel and their Facebook page, and just check them out. Go comment, go have a chat to the STB group of guys, and if there's any questions, ask them. Hope you guys enjoyed that little short video of just of the unboxing, and I'll be using some of these baits very soon, especially this one, still my favorite. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell while you're there. You'll get notified as soon as the video comes out. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Peace. I'll catch you on the next one.